Your vehicle is equipped with 12-volt power outlets that can be used to power cellular phones, small electronics, and other low-powered electrical accessories. They are located inside the storage area on the center stack of the instrument panel, in the front center console, and an additional outlet can be found in the cargo area of the vehicle. Some can only be used when the ignition is in the on position, while some are powered directly by the battery and can be used anytime. Remember though, excessive use of this outlet can drain the vehicle's battery. If equipped, you will also find a 115-volt AC power inverter. The power outlets can be used to power cell phones, electronics, and other low-power devices. Please refer to the instruction manuals on the Owner's Information DVD or dodge.com/owners for complete details and other important safety information.